In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the process of purchasing items on Amazon. Whether you're new to online shopping or just need a refresher, I'll guide you through each step, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free experience. First, let's start by accessing the Amazon platform. You have two options here. Use your preferred web browser and head to www.amazon.com, or if you prefer shopping on the go, simply open the Amazon app on your mobile device. Once you're there, you'll want to ensure you're signed in to your account or create one if you haven't yet. At the top right corner, you'll find the Sign In button. Click on that and you'll be prompted to enter your email or phone number as well as your password. In case you don't have an account, don't worry, just select Create Your Amazon Account and follow the straightforward instructions they provide. With your account ready, it's time to find the product you want. Utilize the search bar prominently located at the top of the page to type in what you're looking for, and then hit enter or click on the search icon. This will present you with a list of search results, each potentially overflowing with options. Choose the product that catches your eye or fits your needs by clicking on it. As you do, you'll want to carefully review the important details such as the price, the seller's information, customer reviews, and product specifications. This insight will help you make an informed decision. Once you've settled on a product, it's time to add it to your virtual shopping cart. If you plan to continue browsing, click Add to Cart. However, if you're ready to make your purchase right away, opt for Buy Now. Assuming you've added items to your cart and are ready to wrap up your shopping spree, you'll click on the cart icon located at the top right corner. Look over your selections, ensure everything looks good, and then hit Proceed to Checkout. Next, you'll want to enter your shipping address. This will be where your package is delivered. Once entered, confirm by clicking Use this address. At this point, you'll also choose your preferred delivery option based on how soon you'd like to receive your items. Options generally include standard, expedited, or even one-day delivery if available. Now it's time to sort out the payment details. You can either add a new payment method or pick from existing options such as a credit or debit card, an Amazon gift card, or even PayPal, again if it's available for you. After inputting these details, click Continue. Before finalizing, make a last check. Review your shipping address, your payment method, and make sure all items in your cart are just as you wish. If everything checks out, click Place your order. And voila, a confirmation on screen should assure you that your order has been placed successfully.